welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day breastfeeding edition, I guess. Not that I really do much different for breastfeeding, but I am breastfeeding, so figure I'll put that into the title. But yeah, I did one of these a long time ago. I figured I should do another one, so that's what I'm going to do. And it is morning, so ignore this. I have not had the time to cover that up yet, but it is 10:30 now actually. I've been up for a while. I've been doing some stuff, feeding, changing a million poopy diapers. But yeah, I woke up at almost 8 o'clock this morning. I haven't really eaten anything yet. I did have one full bottle of water and then like another half of one. I drank one full bottle as soon as I woke up in the morning. I'm always super thirsty as soon as I wake up. So I had a lot of water so far, and I did make myself some coffee, which you saw before, and that's pretty much it. I was snacking on a little bit of Life cereal because Chase was eating that, so I was just munching on a couple pieces of that, but that's all I've had so far. I'm about to make myself some breakfast though. Noah is content, he's fed, he's changed and everything, so he's sitting down here in his little chair, and I have a few minutes to make myself some food now. So I am gonna make myself a bagel. These are frozen. We got these over the weekend. We got a dozen of them, and then we just had some that day, and then the rest of them we just put into little baggies and freeze so that I can eat them like during the week, and Greg can have them too. Whoever wants a bagel can have a bagel. But yeah, I'm gonna take one of these out and defrost it in the microwave. And I just like to use, I can't believe it's not butter, unless we have cream cheese left over from the deli, but we don't, so I'm just going to use this. I like this stuff. I like how it tastes. I don't use it for any particular reason other than I just like how it tastes. And then I'm just gonna have some orange juice. I just use, well, I buy whatever's on sale this week. A Minute Maid was on sale, so I got this. I'm gonna have a little bit of orange juice, and that's gonna be my breakfast. So it's 2 o'clock now. I just put Chase down for a nap. Noah is in the living room. He was sleeping, but he's not sleeping anymore. So I'm gonna hurry up and make myself something for lunch. And most of the time I have the same thing for lunch all the time until I run out of it. And then I have to figure out something else to eat until I do another grocery order and get more of what I like to have for lunch. But here is what I'm gonna make myself. I am just making a turkey sandwich with lettuce and a slice of cheese and some spicy mustard. The turkey is in here because we bought a big thing of it from Costco. It came with like 3 separate packages, so I opened the one and I just put it into this container, like, you know, to store it in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a sandwich. So there is my sandwich. Do you like how I displayed that so nicely? And I'm using this Arnold whole grains 12 grain bread. This is the bread that I like. I don't know why. I just like it better than like plain white bread or plain wheat bread. I just think it's more filling, I guess, and it has like more good stuff in it. So yeah, this is the kind of bread that I always buy for my sandwiches. Nobody else eats it, but I eat it. I'm also gonna have some Doritos with my lunch because I like to have something to munch on with my sandwich, and also I'm breastfeeding, so I'm burning like, what is it, like 500 extra calories a day. So I feel like if there's ever a time in my life where it's okay to have some Doritos or chips or something with my lunch, now is the time. So yeah, I'm gonna have that. I'm also gonna have a bottle of water. Pretty much all I drink throughout the day is water. So yeah, that's gonna be my lunch. Actually, I'm just kidding. That's not all I'm gonna have for lunch. I just saw these in the cabinet and I forgot that I bought them, so I'm gonna have like 1 or 2 of these. It's 5:30 now. It's time for me to start getting dinner ready. Tonight I'm making baked pasta. I don't like just regular plain spaghetti. I mean, I'll eat it, but it's not like my favorite. I like it better when it's baked for some reason, so that's what I'm gonna make. So I'll go ahead and show you the ingredients and just like how I make it, I guess. So here's everything that I use to make the baked pasta. I'm just using rotini noodles, 2 jars of tomato sauce. These are, how many ounces? 24-ounce jars. I'm gonna use almost 2, maybe like 1.5. Some ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, basil, salt and pepper, and 1 egg. I have this bad habit of snacking while I'm cooking. So, snacking while I'm cooking. I'm having some pretzels. Just roll gold pretzel thins. Yep. So this is gonna be my dinner. So it's now almost 10 o'clock. The kids are in bed. Noah's sleeping. Hopefully he stays asleep. I am hungry because every time we have pasta, or pretty much every night I get hungry around this time, but it's especially worse whenever we have pasta. I'm like starving like 2 hours later. So I'm about to have a snack. I'm gonna have cereal. Cereal is like my, I don't know what to call it, but I love having cereal at night. I don't like to eat cereal in the morning, but I like to eat cereal at night once everybody's asleep. I don't know what it is, but. So I'm gonna have some Honey Nut Cheerios, and I just recently started, like I tried this because I was gonna go dairy-free. There was like a day where I was thinking that I needed to go dairy-free, but I don't think I need to anymore, and I haven't been doing that. But I tried this, and it's pretty good. Like I like it. Like I don't have any problems drinking this, and I especially like to put it in my cereal because there's only 30 calories in an entire cup of this, and there's no way I'm drinking an entire cup in cereal, so it's even less calories than that, so that is awesome. And I literally like can't tell the difference between that and regular milk when it's in my cereal, so yay for that. But yeah, I'm gonna have some Honey Nut Cheerios, and my other go-to cereal is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I was eating that for a while, decided to switch it up, do something a little bit more healthy. So yeah, if you guys are also cereal nighttime cereal eaters like I am, let me know in the comments, what is your go-to cereal? I'm curious. Something healthy, something sugary, I don't know. Let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I know if I tell myself I'll end it later, I just won't end it at all. But yeah, I just finished having cereal and I'm just gonna go and do some work on the computer and all that. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I guess the only other thing to mention is that I drink a ton of water throughout the day. Like, I didn't even show you how much water I was drinking, but I'm pretty much always drinking water. I don't even know how many of those. I probably drink at least 10 of those bottles of water a day, maybe more, and then like another one like throughout the night. Like, I'll wake up in the middle of the night to nurse Noah and drink like another bottle of water. So yeah, I drink a lot of water. But that is it. I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.